Have you ever heard of a camel that came out of a rock? Yes, a real rock. This is one of the most amazing miracles in history. Let me tell you the incredible story of Prophet Salih, peace be upon him, and the people of Thamud. A very long time ago, there lived a group of people called Thamud. They were super talented builders. They carved beautiful homes right out of the mountains. Imagine living inside a mountain. How cool is that? The people of Thamud were blessed with so many good things. They had green gardens, fresh water, and strong animals. Allah had given them everything they needed. But sadly, instead of being thankful to Allah, they started worshiping idols made of stone. They forgot who had given them all these blessings. So Allah sent them a very special messenger, Prophet Salih. Peace be upon him. He was a kind and honest man from their own people. He told them, "My dear people, worship only Allah. He is the one who created you and gave you everything. Stop worshiping these stones that cannot help you." But the people laughed at him. They said, "Why should we listen to you? Prove to us that your God is real. Show us a miracle." They pointed at a huge rock and said, "Make a living camel come out of that rock." They thought it was impossible. Prophet Salih prayed to Allah, and guess what happened? The giant rock began to shake and crack open, and out came the most beautiful she-camel anyone had ever seen. She was big, gentle, and absolutely magnificent. The people could not believe their eyes. Allah gave them a special rule about this camel. The she-camel would drink from the well on one day, and the people could drink on the next day. They had to take turns sharing the water, and no one was allowed to harm the camel in any way. This was a test from Allah. For a while, things went well, but some of the people became jealous and angry. They did not like sharing their water with a camel. They started whispering and making evil plans. Shaitan was putting bad ideas in their hearts. Then something terrible happened. A group of wicked men went and harmed the she-camel. They disobeyed Allah's command. When Prophet Salih found out, he was heartbroken. He warned the people, "You have only 3 days. If you do not ask Allah for forgiveness, a great punishment will come." But the people did not listen. They were too proud and stubborn. They even threatened Prophet Salih himself. They refused to say sorry to Allah.